Hello everyone, I am Professor S.N. Mane, Assistant Professor KK College of Agricultural Engineering and Technology Nashik. Today we will learn about radiation heat transfer. So let's start. Radiation heat transfer is one of the mode of heat transfer in which the energy of radiation gets transferred in the form of electromagnetic waves. These electromagnetic waves consist of a number of wave rays, for example infrared rays, then visible light and ultraviolet rays. So these waves having different wavelengths. Here radiation heat transfer, it doesn't require any medium. It is independent of the medium. It also occurs through the vacuum. See here, picture had shown here, a person is sitting whose temperature is less. He is getting heat from another hot source, and here vacuum also shown through the which heat transfer will be takes place. Here in day-to-day life we are getting heat from sun, even though it is situated or located about 150 millions kilometer away from the earth, though it gives the heat to the earth's surface because no particles are involved while reaching the heat from sun to the earth. See here, sun and earth surface had shown how the heat will be reaches from it to the earth's surface through the electromagnetic waves. See here in the right hand side, a person standing on the earth's surface has given and it receives the heat through the sun. Suppose we are sitting in front of the fireworks, then also we are getting the heat from that source. It is also example of radiation heat transfer. As we know that object which having a non-zero temperatures, it emits the radiations. If the more hotter object is there, then it emits the radiations with a more quantity. For example, sun is there, then suppose a cup of tea is given and a fan has shown which is having less temperature. Here we will learn about some terms like absorptivity, reflectivity and transmissivity. Absorptivity, it is equals to ratio of absorbed radiations per unit incident radiation. It is equals to G absorption divided by capital G, where capital G is nothing but a total incident radiations and G to the base absorption, it is the partially absorbed radiations. Then reflectivity, it is given by letter rho. It is equal to reflected radiation per unit incident radiation, and it is given by formula GREF divided by capital G. Then transmissivity, it is the ratio of transmitted radiation per unit incident radiation. It is equal to G to the base TR divided by capital G. If a particular object has given which is semi-transparent, then suppose some quantity of rays will incident upon that object, then what happen? Some quantity of radiations will get absorbed by that object, then some rays will get reflected from its surface and some get transmitted through it. So in this way the distribution of this incident radiation will be takes place. Now here we apply the law of conservation of energy. It states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. Just here energy form can be changed from one form to the another form. So here we apply this law of conservation of energy, then we get that total quantity of incident radiation, which is denoted by letter G lambda, it is equals to sum of partially reflected radiation plus partially absorbed radiation and partially transmitted radiation. If we are dividing this equation by capital G, then what will happen? We get that alpha plus rho plus tau equals to 1, where alpha is absorptivity, rho is reflectivity and tau is the transmissivity. For the opaque surface, tau is 0. Here opaque surface means that body or that surface through which radiations doesn't get transmitted. Only absorption and reflection will be takes place. In case of black body, absorptivity is 1 and reflectivity and tau is 0. Now we will learn about black body. Black body is the ideal body which absorbs all the incident radiations. The concept of black body. Why black body? Because those bodies that absorb the incident visible light, which is well seem black to the human eye. For example, we hardly characterize our sun, which is indeed almost a black body with a very wide band of electromagnetic radiation wavelength. As a black physical object in objects, it is namely bright white sunlight, which represents the equilibrium black body radiation. Now, concept of black body, in which we will see some applications of that black body. First is the optical band. Optical band is the surfaces approach an ideal black body in their ability to absorb the radiations. For example, such as soot, silicon carbide, platinum and the golden nylons. Earth surfaces, in which Earth surfaces absorb the infrared radiations well and in thermal infrared band. These physical objects are ideal black bodies, in which water surfaces, land and ice is there. Now, black body concept. Suppose we will see a cavity in a black body we are considering, and through this small hole or this small aperture, if we are passing a ray of incident radiations, then what happens? Here, as these incident radiations get entered into this cavity of black body, then it initially strikes on any part of the body. At that place, absorption of radiations will take place and partially reflection of radiations will be takes place. That partially reflected radiations get again absorbed or strike on the other part of that black body. In this way, this process of striking, then absorption and reflection will continuously goes on. So, in the inner part of this object, here 99% radiations get absorbed and only 1% of radiation get exited from this small aperture. So in this way, the black body, which is covered with the black surface in the inner side of that black body, then it absorbs more and more radiations and only some quantity of radiations will get released from that aperture. This is the concept of black body. Now, intensity of black body radiations. This intensity of radiations will goes on increasing with the increasing temperature. Also, the amount of radiations also emitted with the increasing their temperature. See here in the figure, it is shown. The peak wavelength goes on decreasing with the increasing temperature. As the temperature goes on increasing, their wavelength goes on decreasing. Wavelength, it is shown by unit micrometer. 1 micrometer, it is equals to 10 raised to minus 8 meter. Now we will move towards the Planck's radiations law. This law, it governs that the intensity of radiations emitted by unit surface area into a fixed direction from the black body as a function of wavelength for a fixed temperature. So it is expressed by formula E into bracket lambda T equals to 2hc square divided by lambda raised to 5 into 1 upon exponential raised to hc upon lambda into k into t minus 1, where h is the Planck's constant whose value is 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 27 erg second. Lambda is the wavelength. Then c is the speed of light in vacuum and k is the Boltzmann constant, where k's value is 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 16 erg per degree Kelvin. This is all about radiation heat transfer, then concept of black body and Planck radiation law. Thank you.